This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be really short. All I'm doing is braiding down the loose hairs onto the lock that needs to be reattached. It's really simple, really easy, and once you're done, it's going to be really hard for the lock to come back off. I actually filmed a video just like this a couple years back, but I thought why not give you guys an updated version. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope this video helps anyone that wants to learn how to reattach their locks in an easy, simple way.